Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make 2 floral trays using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. For the first project, I'm going to use the larger size cutting board. It's from the Dollar Tree. You can find it where all the cooking things are, all the kitchen supplies. And I'm going to use these wall decals. They're succulent florals. I'm going to use one. I'm going to use the larger sized one, and I'm going to place it in the bottom part of the cutting board. Now, all I'm going to do is make sure that it's flush to the bottom edge and to the edges on each side, and then I'm going to cut with a scissor anything that is extra. So let's finish this part. For step number 2, I'm going to use these stick-on beads. They're also from the Dollar Tree. You can find them where the stickers are. I'm going to go all around the cutting board in order to give it a little extra pop. And I'm just going to use the sticky backside that it came with. I'm not adding any hot glue to this. So let's finish this part. Now that I'm done with the beads, I'm liking the way that it's looking so far. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use these little wooden cubes. They're also from the Dollar Tree. You could get them in the Crafter Square section. And I'm going to use these as the little feet for our pedestal stand. Now, I'm only going to attach them with some hot glue, and that is it. So one on each corner, and we will be done with this next step. Let's continue. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this folk art matte paint in an off-white color, and I'm going to use it to paint the beads because I want to tone down the blue a bit of the beads. I think it's a little too bright, and I want it to match a little bit more to the background of the floral decals. So I'm going to give it 2 coats all around the edges, and I'm going to paint the beads. So let's continue with this. So I let the paint dry, and I am really liking the way it looks so far. I think it matches more to the background of the florals, and the blue doesn't stand out that much. Now I'm going to use the same paint again that I used on the beads, and I'm going to use it to give a little quick paint coating to the top of the tray because I think the beige is a little too beigey, so I want to tone it down a bit as well in order for it to match a little bit more to the background of the floral decals. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water to it in order to dilute it, and then I'm going to wipe off the excess with a paper towel. So I usually have some water in a bottle in my craft area, and I'm just going to put a little bit of the water on it. I'm going to finish with a few more brush strokes, and then I'm going to wipe the excess off with a paper towel. So let's finish this part. Now the final step, I'm going to use this triple thick gloss in order to give it a really nice shine just to the top of the board. And I'm going to give it just one coat, trying to avoid brush strokes, and I'm going to let that dry. Once it's dry, this tray will be ready to display. So let's continue. So now the tray is done and I am loving the way that it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Now let's get on with project number 2. For project number 2, I'm going to use this plastic tray from the Dollar Tree. You could get it where the party plastic tableware things are, and this piece of wallpaper. Lately, they are carrying some beautiful patterns in these wallpaper sheets, and I've picked up so many. I love this one because it has a gold foil look to it, and the florals are really pretty. Now, the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place the tray on top of the wallpaper. I'm going to trace the bottom part, and then I'm going to cut that out. So let's continue with this. Now that I cut out the piece of the wallpaper, I'm going to go to step number 2. I'm going to use this Folk Art Pearl Paint in a champagne color. This is a new paint by Folk Art. You can find it on plaidonline.com. And I love it because it gives such a beautiful shimmer to any object that you're working with. Now, I'm only going to paint the sides of the tray and the handles, and I'm painting underneath or on the sides. I still want the tray to have that nice plastic shine to it. So I'm going to do about 2 to 3 coats. I'm going to let it dry, and then we will be ready to do the wallpaper part. So let's continue. So now the paint is dry, and now we can move to the next step, which is just using the piece of wallpaper that we cut out earlier. And all I'm going to do is just remove the paper from the back and place it onto the tray. So let's continue with this. The final step to this project, I'm going to use these gold sticky beads that I had in my crafting stash. I don't know where I got these, but I'm sure you could find similar ones at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a few of them to each of the handles in order to give it a little extra pop for it to stand out a little bit more. And I'm not using any hot glue. I'm just going to use the sticky backside that it has, and that is it. And this project is done, and it will be ready to display. So let's finish this last piece. So now project number 2 is done and it is ready to display. I do love the way they both came out, and they are useful for so many things. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy videos, and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.